Over 50. Want to melt stubborn belly fat but worried about your joints? Or struggling with a stiff neck and shoulder pain? High-impact exercises can put too much stress on your body. This gentle 18-minute Tai Chi flow is perfectly designed to release neck stiffness, relieve shoulder strain, and maximize calorie burn without joint pressure. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 1. Side bend toe touch. Bend your waist to the side, reaching your fingertips down toward your toes. This dynamic lateral stretch maximizes calorie burn, targets stubborn belly fat, and efficiently releases lower back stiffness. Three, 2, 1, rest. Three, 2, 1, go. Exercise 2. Overhead palms up side stretch. Interlock your fingers and flip your palms upward, bending gently side to side. This upward extension efficiently releases stiffness in your shoulders, relieves deep neck strain, and stimulates blood circulation. 3, 2, 1, rest. Three, 2, 1, go. Exercise 3. High knee torso twist. Raise your knee high with arms flat in front of your chest, alternating side to side with a smooth torso twist. This active flow boosts calorie burn, targets full body fat loss, and enhances core control. Three, 2, 1, rest. Three, 2, 1, go. Exercise 4. Rhythmic tiptoe arm swing. Swing your arms smoothly backward and forward while shifting between your heels and toes. This continuous coordination increases calorie burn for belly fat reduction, while releasing stiffness in your shoulders. 3, 2, 1, rest. Three, 2, 1, go. Exercise 5. Back step lunge arm circles. Step backward into a lunge while drawing smooth, large circles with both arms. This full body combination effectively boosts calorie burn to trim your waistline while deeply relieving shoulder and neck strain. 3, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 6. Hip twist shoulder tapping. Twist your hips rhythmically while extending your arms to gently tap your shoulders. This targeted meridian stimulation instantly releases shoulder stiffness, relieves neck strain, and soothes the nervous system. Three, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 7. Weight shift side stretch. Shift your weight side to side, stretching your arms straight upward. This dynamic flow completely releases shoulder stiffness, relieves side body strain, and boosts calorie burn. Three, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 8. Half squat chest open. Hold a half squat and hug your arms in a circle. Then stand up and open your arms wide to tilt your head back. It completely releases spine stiffness and relieves deep neck strain. Three, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 9. Waist tapping swing. Swing your arms gently from side to side, letting them slap softly around your waist as your body follows. This mindful practice stimulates blood circulation and releases full body stiffness. Three, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 10. Back kick arm pull. Extend your arms straight forward, then kick your leg backward while pulling your arms back smoothly to your waist. This dynamic movement maximizes calorie burn and targets belly fat reduction. 3, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 11. Shoulder tapping kick. Kick your leg backward to touch your heel, while your other hand gently taps the opposite back neck and shoulder area. This meridian stimulation efficiently releases stiffness and relieves neck strain. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 12. High knee parallel raise. Lift your knee high while raising both arms parallel upward, alternating your legs in a steady rhythm. This active movement maximizes your calorie burn and improves core control. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 13. Back step chest opening. Step backward lightly and open your arms backward, letting your head follow your hands, alternating sides. This open flow deeply relieves neck stiffness and shoulder strain. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 14. Weight shift side lunge push. Shift your weight side to side into a front lunge, straightening your back leg and pushing your palm forward. This dynamic stretch maximizes calorie burn and targets full body fat loss. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 15. Parallel arm extension. Open your arms parallel side to side, letting your head follow the movement with a deep stretch. This gentle flow efficiently releases neck stiffness and relieves deep shoulder strain. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 16. Alternating step forward push. Walk smoothly in place, pushing your palms forward and pulling back with control. This continuous movement increases calorie burn, targets belly fat reduction, and enhances core control. Three, 2, 1, rest. Three, 2, 1, go. Exercise 17. Side forward step, elbow circling. Step lightly to the side and forward, bending your elbows to draw smooth circles. This therapeutic motion releases shoulder stiffness, relieves neck strain, and stimulates blood circulation. Three, 2, 1, rest. Three, 2, 1, go. Exercise 18. Hip twist, vertical arm swing. Twist your hips rhythmically, swinging your arms up and down alternately in front of you. This full body active flow maximizes calorie burn and targets stubborn belly fat. Amazing job today. You've done something wonderful for your body. Which movement did your body enjoy the most today? Tell me in the comments below. Please like, subscribe, and practice daily.